Rebecca Rabbit, Susie Sheep and Zoe Zebra are looking for Peppa. Peppa told them to meet them near the big yellow box, but she isn't there. The box suddenly starts to wobble and shake. Susie spots that the box is moving. Zoe knocks on the box and wonders if someone's inside. Rebecca looks a bit nervous. Surprise! Laughs Peppa. Susie asks Peppa what the big yellow box is. It's Peppa's secret surprise. Following Peppa, she leads them to some enormous presents. Rebecca, Zoe and Susie are very excited. Peppa suggests they open the boxes. Zoe's found a surprise bag. Rebecca's found one too. Zoe Zebra's found a party hat. Rebecca's found some fairy wings. Peppa wonders what else is in the boxes. Peppa finds a glittery, sparkly dress. Rebecca has her own sparkly dress too. Zoe Zebra has found a glittery cloak and she thinks it will look great with Peppa's dress. Susie Sheep pulls a long roll of stickers out of a drawer. Peppa's friends decide to decorate their party hats. Peppa throws a small box down. She wonders if there's a present inside. Susie, Rebecca and Zoe quickly go back to searching the drawers and 3 more boxes are found. A present for everyone! Rebecca suggests that they decorate the presents with stickers and gems. Carefully, Peppa and her friends place stickers and gems on their gifts to each other. After exchanging their gifts, Peppa and her friends open their presents. Zoe has a rubber duck. Rebecca has a hairbrush. Susie has got a bag. But Peppa's present has gone missing. Poor Peppa. Just then, Daddy Pig arrives to collect Peppa. Daddy Pig finds a present on the floor and wonders who it's for. Well, that was a very surprising day.
Available now at Smyths Toys Superstores.